How to get 50% off Wayfair coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Wayfair coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website. In this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, 20% off, $100 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and check out. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. So this way you can easily get up to 50% off Wayfair coupon codes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.